supply chain management program for fruits, vegetables and other perishables in Tamil Nadu. The government of Tamil Nadu is implementing the supply chain management project for fruits, vegetables and other perishables in 10 districts at a cost of Rs 482 crores. The project, which is implemented through the Department of Agricultural Marketing and Agribusiness, envisages to reduce post-harvest losses and increase the income of farmers. Under the program, 64 primary processing centers (PPC) have been established with adequate infrastructure and machinery. These PPCs will be managed by farmer producers organizations. In Nilgiris district, root vegetables like carrot, beetroot and potatoes can now be cleaned and hygienically washed, sorted, graded and packed using automatic processing machines by farmers in the PPCs established in the district. Likewise, vegetables like tomato, brinjal and lady's fingers can be washed and processed in PPCs in Dharmapuri district such as in Palakkad. Vegetables can also be dehydrated and value added using vegetable dehydration unit, which will reduce wastage and loss to the farmers. In Dharmapuri PPC, processing machinery facilities are made available to process tamarind, and tamarind can be packed in hygienic condition with minimum labor. Similar facilities are also made available at Gopalpatti in Dindigul district. Red chilies can now be processed by cutting the stems and further sorted using laser color sorter machine. The processed red chilies can be packed using packing machine, which has been made available in this PPC. Similar facilities are also provided at Ramanathapuram district. Lemon can be washed, cleaned and graded in the PPC established in Tirunelveli district. Processing machinery lines have been installed to process vegetables like cauliflower, banana, etc. at Kambam PPC in Theni district. Moringa is grown in a large quantity in Theni and Dindigul districts. Moringa can be processed by washing, drying and powder making through machines which are made available at Theni PPC as shown here. Onion processing machinery lines have also been established in Trichy district to process onions. To the Honorable Chief Minister, the Honorable Agriculture Minister and the Chief Secretary of Tamil Nadu, the architect of this innovative project, farmers of fruits and vegetables in the state can now reduce post-harvest losses and get better remuneration for their crops, while consumers across the country also have better access to more hygienic food.